You need to watch this if your Hyundai Santa Fe's AC just quit on you. Don't sweat it. Let's figure out what's going on. We'll keep it simple so you know what to check first. First, the most common cause is low refrigerant. If there's not enough refrigerant in your system, the compressor can't run properly. Sometimes this means there's a leak that needs fixing. Second, check your compressor clutch. This is a small part that connects and disconnects the compressor. If it's stuck or broken, your compressor won't turn on. Third, electrical issues can be the culprit. A blown fuse, bad relay, or wiring problem can stop power from reaching your compressor. Fourth, the pressure switch might be faulty. This safety device tells the system when to turn the compressor on or off. If it's broken, the whole AC system can shut down. And finally, sometimes the compressor itself just wears out. If you hear strange noises or notice leaks around the compressor, it might be time for a replacement. So, if your Hyundai Santa Fe's AC isn't working, it could be one of these 5 things. Start with the basics, and don't be afraid to ask a mechanic for help. Stay cool out there.